I'm gonna just pull them out the neighborhood. This shit too fucking deep. We try to deliver everything, but if your street look like this, I don't know. Should be able to make it up this without four-wheel drive.